In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change Samsung tablet to desktop mode. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the equivalent of desktop mode for your Samsung tablet. Most modern Samsung tablets will have this feature already available, so all that you have to do is swipe down from the top and you will be able to find Samsung DeX, D-E-X. If you don't see the option here, keep swiping until you see the button to add new actions, and then you can just choose to add the DeX button. On a tablet, whenever you choose the option to use DeX, you will immediately load up into the desktop mode. If you are using a smartphone, you will have to connect it to a PC or laptop nearby with a cable or wirelessly, but for tablets, it is going to load you into the desktop mode equivalent right away. So you will see at the bottom left, you have essentially the taskbar, the start menu. You will have some apps centered over here on the screen, apps that you can pin and the most commonly used ones. And if you tap at the bottom right corner of the screen, which is the system tray, you will be able to find a lot of options about the tablet. So Wi-Fi, sound, Bluetooth, rotate, and so on. Your apps will be displayed here as icons or shortcuts, just like in Windows. And of course, this is a very desktop-like experience. It allows you to have a wider view of all of the applications and a lot more control over them. You can optionally connect a keyboard and a mouse. This is going to be primarily done through Bluetooth, but of course, if you have a wired combo, then you just plug it in according to the manufacturer's instructions, usually on the USB port. And as long as you have the peripherals connected, you will be able to simulate a very desktop-like experience. This will work for most modern Samsung tablet models. You just have to choose the DeX option and you will load into DeX immediately. Like I said, if you are doing this on a smartphone, then you will have to choose the option to connect to either a tablet or a PC. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect or change Samsung tablet to desktop mode. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips.